Now I am going to start some revision classes according to chapter from very beginning up to end of standard 12 integral calculus. It is to be started from indefinite integral. So we have already learned the result of standard integrals. So sometimes I will also explain. Now from very beginning I am starting the revision classes for this. First is integration problem. It is problem 1. Then problem 1 is integral that is equal to 5 x to the power 5 into dx. What is the result of this 5? We know that integration x to the power n into dx, that is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c is integral constant. So 5 into x to the power 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 plus c. C is an integration constant. So you can write it 5 by 6 into x to the power 6 plus c is the answer of the problem. Now we are coming to problem number 2. This problem number 2 equal to 2 integration, then problem number 2 equal to 5 into 6 cos x, or we can write it from starting from it is sin x dx. The result of sin x we know integration sin x into dx equal to minus cos x plus c. So it is the result 6 into minus cos x in cos x plus c equal to minus 6 cos x plus c, where c is an integration constant, where c is an integration constant. Now we are going to problem number 3. That is problem number 3 is, that's P3. Then problem number 3, it is the problem is integration 1 minus x into this into dx. It is equal to integration root x into dx into integration x root over this into dx. So integration of root x equal to x to the power 1 plus half upon 1 plus half minus it is x to the power that in x into root over x equal to 1 plus half equal to x to the power 3 by 2. So it is equal to the, in case of integration it is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So it is equal to x to the power 3 by, that is 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus, that is equal to 5 by 2 equal to 2 upon 5 into x to the power 5 by 2 plus c, where c is integration constant. So we have done problem 1, we have done problem 2, the result of integration sin x equal to minus cos x, and third problem is 1 minus x into root over x into dx can be written as root over x into x into root over x dx. Now we are integrating, that is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and that is minus x to the power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 plus c. So result is 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus c is the and result for the problem number 3. It is problem 1, it is problem 2, it is problem 3. We have started the revision class as from the preliminary level or elementary level of the or from the beginning, so that it will be revision. If any there is any doubt about the standard result or formula in the preliminary or elementary level, it will be clear, so that we can case of the level 1 to level 2 problem, level 2 to level 3 problem, we can solve it easily. Problem 1, 2, 3 is over. Now problem number 4. Problem number 4 as a revision class, so that we can learn from 0 level, then to level 1, then level 2, then level 3. Now the problem number 3. Problem number 3 is integration x to the power 3 minus x square plus x minus 1 upon x minus 1 into dx. So we can write it by taking common x square, x minus 1 plus 1 x minus 1 upon x minus 1 into dx, x minus 1 into dx. Next step, that is in the next step, it is equal to x square plus 1 into x minus 1 upon x minus 1, here given x not equal to 0. So we are writing this one, x square plus 1 into dx, x square plus 1 equal to dx. That is, there is a two integration, one is x square into dx and one, that is 1 into dx. We know, that is, we know what x to the power, it is 1 into dx. What this? X to the power 0, something to the power 0 equal to 1, so equal to x to the power 0 plus 1 plus c. That means integration equal to c, integration 1 dx equal to xc. So it can be written as x to the power 3 upon 3 plus, it is x plus c, where c is an integration constant. Now problem number 3, the result is x to the power 3 upon 3 plus x plus c. So we are going to solve another problem for problem number 4. Problem number 4 is, that is equal to integration. Problem number 4. Problem number 4 is, we know integration e to the power x into dx equal to e to the power x plus integration e to the power mx into dx equal to e to the power mx plus m plus c. That is, it is integration now, that is integration, that is 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power x into dx. Problem is this. Now we are going to solve this problem. Problem number, that is 4. That is problem number 4. We are making it is as a 3 integral